Welcome back to our English listening practice. My name is Laura. Today I want to share my daily routine with you. This story is designed to help English learners. I will speak slowly and clearly using simple words. So please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Every day I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The house is very quiet at this time. The sun is just starting to rise and the sky looks beautiful. First, I like to stretch in my bed. Stretching feels good and helps my body wake up gently. Then, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water. This makes me feel fresh. I brush my teeth and give myself a little smile in the mirror. After that, I head to the kitchen. It's time to prepare breakfast for my family. I usually make simple things like eggs, toast, and hot tea. While I am cooking, I really enjoy the quiet moment. I find calm mornings very peaceful. It's a nice way to start the day. After breakfast, my children get ready for school. I help them find their clothes for the day. I also make sure they have their school bags and everything they need. When they leave for school, the house is quiet again, and I start to clean. I wash the dishes from breakfast. I tidy up the living room, putting things back in their place. I also like to open the windows to let the fresh air come inside. I truly like having a clean and cozy home. It makes me feel happy and peaceful. Around mid-morning, I usually go to the grocery store. I make a list of things we need before I leave. At the store, I buy fresh vegetables, fruit, and bread for the week. I enjoy choosing healthy food for my family. It feels good to know they are eating well. When I get back home, it's time to prepare lunch. I often cook rice with vegetables. Sometimes, if it's a cold day, I make a warm soup. While the food is cooking on the stove, I take a few minutes to water my plants. I have a few plants in my kitchen and living room. I love watching them grow. It's very rewarding. In the afternoon, my children come back home from school. We all sit down and eat lunch together. After lunch, it is homework time. I sit with them at the table to help. I assist them with their reading and writing. Sometimes we laugh and learn new things together. These moments are very special to me. After all the homework is finished, we relax. We might talk about their day at school, play a fun board game, or get out some paper and crayons to draw pictures. I cherish this quality time with them. In the early evening, I start cooking dinner. Cooking is one of my favorite activities. I find it very creative and relaxing. I enjoy trying new recipes sometimes to make our meals more interesting. When dinner is ready, the whole family sits together at the dining table. We talk about our day. We share stories and laugh a lot. This family time around the dinner table is very important to me. It connects us. After dinner, it's time for the children to get ready for bed. I help them brush their teeth and get into their pajamas. Then I read them a short story. Reading a story helps them calm down and get ready for sleep. Once they are in bed and fast asleep, the house becomes quiet again. This is when I have some time for myself. I usually sit on the comfortable sofa in the living room. I make a warm cup of tea and just relax. I think about my day, all the small things that happened. I feel tired after a long day, but it's a good kind of tired. I feel happy and fulfilled. So, this is my daily routine. It is a simple life, but it is very meaningful to me. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. I really hope it was helpful for your English practice. I look forward to seeing you next time. Keep learning, keep practicing, and take care of yourself. Goodbye for now.